Can't seem to get a good job around here. I was thinking about moving abroad to a country with a better standard of living. Do you have any ideas?
Of course, young man. In fact, I've lived in 5 different countries with varying standards of living.
Wow, that's fascinating. Which ones were the best?
Well, it depends on what you mean by best. For me, the top 5 countries with the best standard of living, in order, are Denmark, Switzerland, Finland, Australia, and Canada.
So why is Denmark first?
I'm sorry, what?
I said why Denmark?
Denmark has consistently been ranked as the happiest country in the world, and it also has a great work-life balance. Plus, the healthcare and education systems are top-notch.
Interesting. How about Switzerland?
Switzerland has a high standard of living with a strong economy and low unemployment rate. It's also known for its beautiful scenery and great outdoor activities.
What about Australia?
Australia has a relaxed and laid-back lifestyle with beautiful beaches and a warm climate. It also has a strong economy and good educational system.
And Canada?
Canada has a high standard of living with excellent healthcare and education systems. It's also known for its friendly people and beautiful landscapes. Just remember, everyone's definition of a good standard of living is different, so it's important to find a place that fits your lifestyle.